This is a love reading for the Sun sign Taurus from March to April. In this love reading, I will be doing a heart-shaped spread. In this heart-shaped spread, on my left are the cards for you, Taurus, and on my right are the cards for your partner or love interest. If you're married, then your spouse. Now, after I've seen how are the cards for you who are in relationship, I'm going to remove the partner cards and only look at cards for Taurians who are single. If you were to write to me for a personal reading, then I complete the heart for singles with the time spread, which is to know when is it likely that you will find love or be in a relationship. Since this is a general reading, I cannot do a time spread. So let us see what is the guidance from tarot. Now please note that this is a general reading and not everything will apply to all Taurians, and whatever will apply will vary in the intensity. So first I'm asking is, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the future or the relationship with your partner? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from? What is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So, Taurus, to me it's looking like some of you are dealing with something. There is some conflict in the relationship. There is a situation in your relationship where you are internally struggling and your partner also feels that there is no solution to your situation, to the situation in the relationship. Your partner is totally feeling dead and out, and you are trying to salvage or save as much as you can. So, as of now, it is looking like things are quite difficult in the relationship between you and your partner. And while your partner can't even think how to come out of it, it's telling me you are just dealing with the conflict in much better way than your partner. But something has happened for sure. Another energy I'm seeing here is that you both are as if you both were trapped, but you have freed yourself and your partner has not. So, very good, Taurus. If you have helped yourself in a difficult situation, it is good news. But your partner doesn't seem to be able to cope with the difficulty as easily as you have. So that's how it's looking as of now to me. One other energy is Taurus. You may be fed up of your partner for feeling helpless in every situation. That no matter what the difficulty is, your partner just gives up very quickly. So you may be starting to look down on your partner for some reason. because it's looking like you are also caged and tied up the way this lady is. But you broke your chains and you are running away. But your partner is not doing anything about the situation and is probably waiting for your help. So some of you may be quite upset with your partner for putting everything on them, on you, to solve or get out of a situation. Maybe your partner is too dependent on you, Taurus, that you will make everything okay. And that's what may be now bothering you. And therefore, there is immense mental struggle. Because you see, this lady or your partner, it can be a man also. So, this person had all the possible ways to get out of her situation, but she just lacked the willpower. So, somewhere it's telling me you are just talking to your partner to have faith, things will be okay. It's quite possible your partner is going through some financial difficulties at work, or are not able to make a living, or are just too dependent on you emotionally or even socially, really. So that's how it's looking to me as of now. And you are going through, because of this, you may be going through a lot of internal struggle yourself. So, what is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? Your strength is Taurus. You are very emotionally sensitive. So, while you may be upset with certain situation not being handled well between the two of you, it's telling me you will still let things be and you will still manage everything with lot of sensitivity. You are in no hurry to get practical or start working on things with a very logical mind. You still want to keep heart, sensitivity, love, and feelings as the center of dealing with things in the relationship. What is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? Well, it's looking like your partner is someone very, very ambitious and capable, but may have just suffered some downturn at the present moment. So your partner is made of something very strong. So one guidance really I'm getting is this may not be a regular thing for your partner to do. So if they're going through some emotional distress or some kind of a betrayal or conflict, it is something that has happened temporarily because genuinely their strength is that your partner is someone who will go after his or her dreams and make things happen. Your partner will not wait for any approval or any world to give consent. He or she, when he decides, they're going to start the work on his or her goals. But at present, your partner is dealing with something. If you're a partner to Taurus, it's possible some of you may be thinking that Taurus has tricked you, that he or she got away with the situation while you didn't. So it's quite possible you may feel like that. Now, how do you see your partner, Taurus, and how does your partner see you? There is something going on for sure because it's telling me while you're extending so much love and sensitivity, you see your partner as someone who just cuts you short, doesn't let you open up, or doesn't let you see the softer side, their softer side. So Taurus, you may be getting fed up with your partner's arrogance and ability to be not reachable and not show emotions. You may be getting fed up with your partner, it's telling me. Now, how does your partner see you? Well, your partner feels that you have never really accepted them and that only they let you into their life and you did not. So I am just seeing a lot of confusion here because you see, Taurus, you are this emotionally sensitive person and your partner is helpless for some reason but is also someone very capable with a very strong willpower. But you both have an impression about each other that the one is not understanding the other or one is not letting the other know. So you both are feeling that you both are not letting each other know enough about yourselves. So Taurus, you're feeling your partner is keeping you out and is very defensive, and your partner is feeling that you don't feel that good or you don't let them in your moments, whether happy or not so happy, just telling me that you just don't let them in. It's possible that there is some conflict with the extended family or friends with you and your partner not being accepted, and therefore your partner feels even you may be not accepting him or her. So, what is the hope or fear you have about the future? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you or the relationship? You are hoping to start a family, Taurus, and you want your partner to be very, very sensitive and emotional. And you're hoping that maybe starting a family will melt and bring out the sensitive side in your partner. So, this is your hope from the relationship in the future with your partner. Well, your partner wants to make a new beginning. Your partner is looking up and sees the next level. So I'm seeing both of you are very positive about the future energies, which is very good. So what is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? Taurus, at some point you do feel maybe you decided in haste about this relationship, but you are not regretting it. This is just a past energy. You are happy that you took the decision you took, but it's telling me that you still have somewhere in the past energy that maybe you decided too quickly. Now, reasons for that could be both of you having a different temperament in handling conflict, or your partner being more practical and logical, and you being more sensitive and emotional. So, those could be the differences. What is the past energy your partner is coming from? Well, your partner's had a tough days, disappointments, and he or she is rock solid. Because you see, this energy alone will bring victory despite whatever may be the challenges. So it's telling me your partner has endured it a lot and he or she is not bothered about any more challenges coming along because they will create a victory out of whatever situation is given to them. So that is the energy from the past for your partner. So let us see what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So you both are feeling it is becoming difficult to carry on with the relationship. You both are feeling the baggage of just having too much to deal with and not being able to really enjoy life. It's quite possible that while you both connect to each other well, you both may not be supporting each other as much. So maybe one of you needs financial help, the other is not listening or helping out financially. So it's telling me this relationship is becoming very difficult for both of you to carry on and continue with. So one guidance really is that if you want this relationship to work, you both should first be able to look ahead and think about the future. And that is possible if you can manage whatever is going in the relationship in a better way. So you both need to really take some time out and work out on how you both can have some more free time rather than just keep dealing with challenges and activities and things to do in the relationship. That's how it is looking to me as of now. So now let us see. I'm going to remove the partner cards and only look at cards for Taurians who are single and are looking for love. First of all, it's looking like Taurus, you have been cheated or you have been shown a certain side by someone you were interested in, you were not expecting. So it's quite possible that you're internally struggling with something and you're trying to save yourself as much as possible emotionally from this relationship. Also, some of you want a love relationship where your family also agrees as much as you do in the love partner. So many expectations and past energies telling me that you're finding the going very difficult in terms of finding love. So one guidance if you're single and looking for love is this is not the right way to go looking for love with 10 things on your shoulder and looking for someone to meet and have a nice time with. So you will have to consciously take time out, remove whatever baggage you are carrying with you by just taking some holiday or meeting up with friends and not feel the pressure that you have to find someone who your family will accept or your every friend and people close to you will accept. First you have to realize is that you have to at least start meeting the person. And there is some experience it's telling me that you have dealt with and you're trying to come out of from. So this is how it is looking for you, Taurus, as a love reading for the period of March to April.